Thank you for clicking through to find out more about our new market report on customer service and technical support for life science products. My name is Mary Fallon and I'm the marketing manager here at BioInformatics LLC. I appreciate your giving me a few minutes of your time, so let's start with what you need to know. Also, I have 3 key findings for you and a deal on this report that I'll tell you about at the end of this presentation. So here's what you need to know about your customer service and technical support departments. First of all, the impact of post-purchase service on the buying decision, what channels scientists prefer to use to reach out to suppliers when there's a problem, what scientists like and don't like about how suppliers handle problem resolution, benchmarking major life science supplier services and support departments, what types of social media platforms are scientists relying on when they have a problem with a supplier's product or service. So here's what you need to know about our market reports. Every major supplier uses our market studies for current data and analysis on their markets. Our reports consist of primary research conducted by our staff scientists and business analysts. BioInformatics has been delivering the most comprehensive market reports in the life science industry since 1994. But if you've never actually seen one of our reports, I want to take a few moments here to step you through the experience of finding our report in your inbox. Let's take a look. Easy to navigate, the PDF version allows you to go straight to the information you need. The project team for this report was led by Science Market Analyst Dr. Nicole Camara. The report is organized into 3 sections: analysis and interpretation of survey results, questionnaire and methodologies. For example, one of the models used for this report was the maximum difference analysis, or MaxDiff. Measuring key drivers of consumer behavior, or what factors are most important when making a purchasing decision, is a common research objective. MaxDiff is an effective tool which can help to reveal preferences or important scores for a number of different factors or attributes. And then finally, Section 3, which contains the appendices to include additional analysis, focus group results, and respondent insights. I want to draw your attention for a moment to Appendix C. For the first time in one of our published reports, BioInformatics has included the results to a focus group we conducted with 4 academic researchers with regards to their opinions and experiences with problem resolution. You'll be able to use this qualitative research to better understand how scientists feel about customer service and technical support issues. For example, on this page, Mike describes his experience with real-time chat capabilities as somewhat frustrating. According to Mike, and I quote, "It hasn't worked out as well as talking with someone on the phone because it seems like those people are chatting with more than one person at once and they're more easily confused than when I've talked to them on the phone. It's like they're not paying attention." As the supplier, you may want to evaluate whether or not Mike's comment is indicative of a training issue or if the staff is handling too many complaints at once. Now let's take a look at how it feels to use this report to go straight to the answers you need with a click of your mouse. Let's talk about some of the findings in the report. Customer service and technical support are not only important to the purchase decision of products and services from one supplier over another, but they're also an important factor in respondents' likelihood to recommend a particular life science supplier to a coworker or colleague. While both customer service and technical support are important, a greater percentage of respondents indicate that technical support is highly important in their likelihood to recommend a supplier than is customer service. Thus, the quality of customer service and technical support can not only help to maintain current business with satisfied customers, but also generate new leads through current customers' recommendations to their colleagues. Identifying products that generate a higher number of service calls is critical when allocating customer service and technical support resources. Additionally, becoming known in the industry for high-quality, speedy service for these products can be a significant differentiator for suppliers. Usage of different social media platforms varies by both market segment and geographic region. Facebook is used more often by North American and industrial respondents to communicate with life science suppliers than their European and academic counterparts. Twitter is used by a higher percentage of North American respondents than European respondents, while Europeans more often use forums and blog posts than their North American counterparts. Suppliers should keep these regional and market segment preferences in mind when monitoring social media platforms for customer comments. 1,099 academic, government, and industrial scientists in the United States and Europe participated in this survey between March 22nd and March 29th, 2011, over half of whom were principal investigators, lab managers, or staff scientists. The questionnaire is also included in the report for your reference, but send me an email if you'd like me to send you a copy now so you can see how the report will be relevant to what you're working on. You'll find my email address at the end of this video presentation. Here's the difference between bioinformatics market reports and other reports on the market. As the sponsor of the Science Advisory Board, we have access to an online panel of over 60,000 scientific consumers. What you get is up-to-date primary research, direct from the researchers that are using your products. Along with the survey results and analysis, included in each report are verbatim comments from the scientists in response to open-ended questions at the end of the survey. So why should you buy this report? This study was conducted by a staff of scientific and business analysts with years of experience in doing market research for major suppliers in the life science industry. As the sponsor of the Science Advisory Board, we have direct and exclusive access to this online panel. What this means is that we know a lot about our respondents and that the survey takers are highly qualified. This report will inform your strategy and determine how best to allocate resources to a variety of service channels. Use the high-quality graphics in your own presentations and start using the data as soon as the report arrives in your inbox. With the purchase of our reports, you get us. An analyst will be available to answer questions about the report or bounce around what-if scenarios with you. I'm confident you'll be as excited about this report as we think you will. So until May 13th, take advantage of our early pricing. Make Friday the 13th your lucky day. After that, the report goes back to full price. Perhaps you're ready to start using this report right away. If so, call me. I'll help you get that processed, or you can go straight to our website and order it online. But if you need more detail on the report, check out the executive summary on gene2drug.com. Thank you for spending a few minutes to learn more about our report and how it might be helpful to you.